Race number 4 was brought to you by Viva Prime Channel. Ang ating instant replay is brought to you by Santa Ana Park dito po sa Naik, Cavite, kung saan kayo ang bida.
And the rope. The lead is taken by the favorite, and that is Speed Sense, and moving up by the rail sa Totoo Lang. Speed Sense on the outside, by the rail is sa Totoo Lang and Elgin and Chairman. And nearing the far turn sa Totoo Lang, Speed Sense, Elgin and Chairman. It's still entry number 1 sa Totoo Lang in the lead, followed by Speed Sense in second and Elgin and Chairman. And moving up by the race, Dr. Choice. And rounding the far turn, it's still sa Totoo Lang by a length and a half, followed by Speed Sense on the outside. Elgin and Chairman now moving up on the outside to take third. And by the rail is Dr. Choice. The last bend for home, it is still sa Totoo Lang by a length and a half, followed by Speed Sense on the outside. Elgin and Chairman, Dr. Choice. At the top of the stretch is still sa Totoo Lang, and moving up on the outside, the favorite is Speed Sense. It is now Speed Sense in the lead, followed by sa Totoo Lang. And hitting the purple line is still Speed Sense sa Totoo Lang, Dr. Choice, Elgin and Chairman. And finally, out of playoff line, it's a cinch for Speed Sense sa Totoo Lang, Dr. Choice, Elgin and Chairman.